opening a box. Let's see what's inside. What's this? Oh wow, this is a loyalty, I think, for being a loyal to this company. Smells like perfume, guys. The loyalty. And look at this is, oh yeah, that's right, loyalty. And this is the good one. The good one. I'm ready for New Year. Let's do this. Do this. Oh, that's heavy. I'm ready for New Year. Do you know what it is? This is full of antioxidant, full of serving of fruit and vegetables. This is great for kids that doesn't eat vegetable. Like, who is it?
Jolie.
Like Jolie. Poor Jolie. Oh, you still can't open it. Look at that. They really pack it real good, guys. You know what? I'm gonna cut this thing up right here. You know what Ningxia means? Ningxia means it's made of goji berry. It's a superfood, goji berry. Ta-da! Let's have a drink. Cheers! I'm ready for New Year. This is serving fruit and vegetables, guys. And it's delicious for good health.